Yo, what up, world? It's your boy Trey D from Power Move Entertainment. Man, I'm out here just cooling and shit like that. But what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to spit some shit, acapella, just to let y'all niggas know I ain't bullshitting with this rapping shit. You feel me? And I dare another nigga to try to touch me on the shit. You feel me? It ain't no beef type shit. Ain't nothing like that. It's just I'm just stating out where the hell I'm coming from. You know what I'm saying? I tell them ain't nothing better than stacking figures and cheddar. I got a black out Beretta, cut back and wet up your sweater. Got a bitch that look classy and yet she shaking for cameras behind doors, yeah she get nasty. She ready for whatever. I do this for my niggas, my bitches, and all my warders who fuck the pussy niggas that be frontin' just like they know me. R.I.P. to Kevin Moore, got this nigga just feeling lonely. They threw a rock and hit their hands, you pussy ass jabroni. See y'all niggas can bite, but y'all niggas never clone me. If your bitch bust it open, then I'ma eat it like I'm hungry. I'm on another level. Don't try to stop me. I been a bitch over you and beat it like I'm Rocky. I'm feeling cocky. These niggas shot me but never drop me. You better watch me. Shout out to my nigga Taterville Poppy. P and me, we in the building. Let go. Bow.